Hello, welcome to Accounting Hub. I'm Professor George Scarpin, PhD in Accounting, and our topic today is simple random sampling on Tableau. And here, to do that on Tableau, it's much easier and effective than on Excel. So sampling methods, uh, subjective methods, use it when you have no other chance or when you cannot use the probabilistic sampling. Because simple random sampling involves selecting items from a population so that every subset of a given size has an equal chance of being selected. And that is why using software is much better, because software guarantees that has an equal chance of being selected. If you do it manually, it has your own bias, even if it is unconscious. And then some methods, systematic periodic sampling, a sampling plan that selects every nth item from the population, so the first, the third, the fifth, and so on. Stratified sampling applies to populations that are divided into natural subsets, for instance, age, or cluster divided into subgroups, such as income or whatever, and from continuous process if we are talking about time. So here, we are talking about simple random sampling here. And that is the most used one. So first of all, Tableau is not a database. So we need a database, that is our Excel file. And here we have revenue from 700 companies from Europe. So this Excel file is free and the link is on our video description, as well as the Tableau file. And if you want this video on Excel, the link is on our video description as well. So why Tableau is much better than Excel here? So first one, so how do we do that on Excel? Data analysis, sampling. Let's go here on input. So we want to sample all of this, and labels, random number of samples, for instance, 100 companies. Let's go on the new workplace. First problem, we can sample only the numbers. We cannot sample the company. So we need to go on B here. And then, okay, now we want to know which companies are these. We need to go on a VLOOKUP formula. And another problem, that is the worst one. If we conditional format here for duplicate values, we have duplicated values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 numbers. So divided by 2, 7 duplicated numbers. We need to delete it manually and then sample it again until we find 100 different numbers. But then manual, and manual is not good. So let's close it without saving. And let's go on Tableau. So here on Tableau, Excel, simple random sampling on Tableau. And here's what we have. Companies and revenue. Go here, let's go here on, for instance, how can we do that? Sampling. Okay, now we are companies. So let's see the companies here. And let's see if we can, so here we have 700 companies. So how do we sample it? Right click on sheet 1 here. Extract data. Oh, sample. 100 rows. Extract. And then we need to save what they Tableau called the hyper. So usually we save it, so sampling for instance or simple random sampling. So Let's go here. Single sampling. Let's keep the name right. Simple random sampling. Oh, it's here. Oh, come on. Random sampling, and then save it on the same folder that you are working. It's much better because it's how Tableau is extracting the data. And then here is our extract data, and see, no duplicate names. You don't need to double check it manually. And we are looking at the companies. Revenue. Show me. Here we have our numbers here. However, once we sample it, we can go back to our original numbers. So just come here and then use extract. So we just delete it. And if we want to come here, refresh, we will have a new sample. So we can resample it if we want. Or if we want to go back to our original files, uncheck here and we go. But the problem is when you extract the data again, it will not be the same sample. So keep in mind, check, sample is good, save it, and you are good to go. And it will be on that hyper file. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you so much. Questions or comments, leave it here or email me at jscarpin@gmail.com. Have a very nice day and God bless you.